Alright, so this is Wave episode 4, okay? I just want to say before I even continue, I'm humbled by the support that you guys have given me. Like, this is crazy. Like, we have a garbage bag.
Damn, bro. How much that weigh?
Yo, this is like...
It looks heavy, bro.
30 pounds, bro.
You can do reps with that, man.
30 pounds, 40 pounds, yo. We got a next bag. You know? We got a next bag.
Damn, that legal trap. You see this?
Let's go.
You see this?
We got another bag. You know, and honestly, like I said, this is crazy. I love you guys for the support. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for trusting in me. This was one day, and I'm making sure, I've been working all day, printing orders, making sure that you guys get them ASAP, because I want to see you guys with the brushes. That's all I'm really looking for. So I'm excited and I'm really happy. I just want to say thank you again. I wish I had like a card that I could put in every package, but that's something I'll work on in the future, just to say thank you, you know. But a lot of people, you guys are buying the brushes, but you haven't even seen me if it has results. So come take a look. This is 6 days. This is the combo. You know, this is all I'm using. This and a hand mirror. Enough of that. We're about to go to the post office so I can get you the brushes so you could get wavy like this. Alright? Let's go. We gotta take 4 trips of this.
Hello.
You ready to go?
That's all, bro?
That's all.
Yeah, man. So all this stuff right here, this is getting shipped out right now, man.
I'm excited for everybody to get it, you know? It's crazy.
You know what?
Hi. Yeah, I just want to make sure that everything... Oh, are you busy right now? No? Okay.
Is it okay?
I don't really care.
Okay,
I'm not really a camera person, but okay. You got this all set up?
Yes.
So the ones to the UK, did you put them through international?
Yeah, I believe so.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, no, these are all good. So this is when it says US postage on it, even though it's going to the UK, it's going shipped through USPS. So these ones can be switched over to the bags with the US.
Okay.
Yeah. And did you need
this
these
one
bags?
as well?
Yeah. So anything like this. So I can take the Canada and the international. Do you mind putting this in the bag for me? Just these ones. Do you need these bags back?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Oh, well, not really. Like,
No.
would it be easier for you or?
Easier for me if I could.
Yeah, okay, no problem. I want to just dump it, but it looks like it's full there.
Yeah, we've been busy all day. So, okay, yeah. So I'll take these back. I'll process these. You can just leave that there. You know what? Let me check your account. Make sure you have enough.
Yeah, I think I have to pay the final payment.
Yeah, it's the processing. So it's Wavy merch?
Yeah, Wavy merch.
Okay. You're not gonna have enough.
No, I could add some on the.
Hold on. Let me just double check this because they're all envelopes, correct?
Yeah.
Actually,
How much do I have in my account?
do you have any use card? You have 58.30. No, you should have enough. If they're all envelopes, yeah, you should
All
be
like
good.
that, yeah.
Yeah, no, you'll be okay.
Okay.
Yeah, no, you're good.
That's good?
Yeah.
So that's all?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay,
Drop and go.
perfect. Alright, so I guess I'll see you tomorrow or...
Yeah,
no,
we're...
Tuesday, yeah, Tuesday. Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. Yeah, you take care.
Alright, say bye to the brushes.
Alright, Shawnee, I can't wait till you guys get these. I'm excited.
How you feeling, dog?
Yo, I'm happy, man.
Jeez,
I'm happy with
the big first shipment.
Yeah, I'm happy, bro. Finally, cause it's crazy. Cause like this process, you remember the process, bro.
I do,
like,
man.
When I first had the drawing,
years in the making, man.
It's crazy.
It's time now, dog.
Time now, bro.
Let's
So
get this shit.
I'm excited for you guys to get the brush. You know, when you guys get it, make sure you go on IG, follow Wavy Merch, post up pictures and hashtag Wavy Merch and tag Wavy Merch so I can repost it. You know, and you guys can see the spinners. This is 6 days. This is all I showed my boy. I'm wavy already, and he couldn't believe it.
Oh man, shit crazy. Let him know about the contest, bro.
Should we let him know right now? All right. I just want to make sure that everything is finalized. But I'll say this: make sure you guys have your brushes on deck, and make sure you're putting in work because I'm about to launch a very sick contest. You know, every month, even weekly. Like, make sure you're up to date. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you have your notifications on, and yeah, make sure you stay tuned because there's a lot of things coming. We're back in the gym, and this video is gonna be geared more towards fitness and like playing sports when you're waving. Now, throughout the video, I'm gonna explain to you guys why it's not necessarily required to like wear a do-rag while you're in the gym or playing sports or anything, but it's all about what you do after the gym. So right now, I'm doing chest day, and I'm a shower brush after, so it doesn't matter how messy my hair gets, because after I'm gonna go in the shower brush it, and retrain it to lay back down. So if your hair is harder to train and it's not fully trained to lay down, you may need to wear a do-rag, but I like to shower brush after the gym. So like I said, we're about to do chest day. You guys can subscribe to my Wavy Gains channel. That's where I have most of my info. So let's get this chest game. The reason why I wear a do-rag in the gym really is just because these things are dirt. Come look at this. You know, you can't have this dirt touching up your waves, you know? So that's the only reason why I wear a do-rag. But in regards to like not being able to lay your hair down after, you just got a shower brush. So my hair's trained. So I'm about to take these hunters on a ride. Let's see if I can do it.
Let's get it.
I don't know if I got stronger with the haircut or not. We're gonna see.
These are the gain reps right here. Gotta push it.
Even though I cut the hair, still strong.
That look easy though.
Give me some heavier weights, bro. One thing I realized is that waves and gym are kind of like the same thing. Like, you may not see the most progress every single day, right? But it's just a little process that you carry over to the next day. So you may not see like the craziest transformation in one day, but if you keep
saying it's a marathon, not a race.
Bro. It's a process. You have to keep putting in work. You have to put effort in the process. You know, if you put effort in, you'll see results. And that's with anything, not just waves, not with just gym. You know, just anything in general. Similarities between waves and gym, right? Is when you're hitting a workout, right? Say you're hitting chest, you gotta focus on squeezing your chest. So if you're focusing on your brushing as well, if you're focusing on your crown, you gotta mentally think about what you're doing and consistently hit what you're trying to hit. Because if you're not focused, you know, you'll be all over the place.
So you gotta have a game plan.
You always have to have a game plan. That's crazy. Man.
Jeez, give him a little flex, bro.
It's nice to see some crazy games, but I can't lie.
Let's get it.
Alright, y'all, so 2 things y'all should have learned in this wave episode. Thing number 1 is when it comes to waving and, you know, playing sports and stuff like that, if you have the opportunity to wear a do-rag, it does make sense to wear it just because it keeps it safe, you know. It's not going to cause drastic problems if you don't wear a do-rag, but then again, it all depends on how trained your hair is. My hair is pretty easy to train, so all I have to really do is shower brush after whatever physical activity I do, and after I'm done shower brushing, brush it till it's dry, rag up, and I'm good to go. I'll do a video on the future on shower brushing itself, because that's my major key on getting 360 waves. The second thing that you guys should have learned in this wave episode is greatness takes time, right? And I did a comparison between the gym and waves. You may not see the most progress like every second, every day. You may not see progress, but just know the smallest progress will roll over to the next day. So I call it the snowball effect. So let's say you make $1 today and you save it. Good, you're $1 richer. The next day, you get another $1. Now you have $2. You're richer than you were yesterday. So it's all about rolling over and continuing to work every single day and keep knocking piece by piece until your snowball is so big going down the hill. You're shocked. You don't even know how it got so big. But it's all the work that you put in yesterday. I could do a comparison between waves and gym. Like, you just gotta put in work, you gotta have effort, you have to think about what you're doing, you have to put focus, and you have to try. If you really wanna try at anything, you can achieve it. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this wave episode number 4. Make sure you guys go over to wavymerch.com and cop some brushes. They're fire. As you guys can see in the video, I'm spinning. I'm going to drop an update video tomorrow, specifically how my waves look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you guys subscribe and turn on the notifications so you can stay tuned for the next video, because I'm putting out bangers now. Alright, I'm not playing games. I'm putting out some bangers. So make sure y'all smash that like button. Post a comment down below of what topics you want me to discuss. Hit the subscribe button. I'm going to catch y'all in the next video.